In front of me is VIVO X300 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Security and Privacy. Then scroll down, this time to tap on App Inscription, and tap on Other Password Types to select the best one you will use for your apps: pattern, 4-digit PIN, or mixed password. I will go with pattern. Create it and repeat it to confirm it. Then answer those two security questions. If you don't like any of those, tap on the chosen one. Pick a different question from the list, or scroll all the way down to choose Custom and create your own. Remember to answer it correctly below. When you're done, hit Next at the top right corner. Now you can enter your email address and confirm it with a code. This way, even if you will forget your app lock, you will get access to your apps. You can also tap on Add Later if you are brave enough. Now, choose App Lock Time here and decide which one is the best one for you. App Lock Time. After the screen is locked, after the screen is locked or app is closed, after 1 minute. I will go with after the screen is locked or app is closed. Now to lock any app, use gray switcher next to it. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that app lock is required. Now, to disable app lock from any app, you can go back to the same section of your settings, enter your app lock, and use blue switcher next to chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!